Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Wayne from Inkish on day 2 of OPS 2025. And we're starting off the day with an interview with a very good friend of mine. We've worked together for some time. Christian Weyer, really good to see you again.
Good morning.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
CEO, founder, Crispy Mountain Keyline. You've been through quite a journey, I think it's fair to say, in the last few years.
Yeah.
Where are you now with the software? Where is Keyline positioned, and where do you think it's going from here?
Yeah, so as most of your listeners probably already know, we used to be partners with Heidelberg, and we amicably split up in May last year.
Right.
And our main focus is now back on Keyline. Company is called the new Crispy Mountain, and it was intentionally named like the old one because we have the same DNA, the same ideals. And the idea is that we believe that the stuff that we did the last 5 years from a technical perspective is the right thing to do. Printers have connectivity issues, they have different data sources, they need to centralize all those data streams. And therefore, we will have a two-legged approach with Keyline, which will be the ERP and MIS part with all the classic stuff like warehousing, accounting, calculations and stuff. But also, we have been rebuilding Keyline from the ground up to be a data platform where we can ingest different data streams, transform the data, and then make that available to the other Keyline modules so that you can do ERP stuff with the data that you get in.
Right. I mean, it's no secret that we've worked together on this platform. And I think really the application side of it, I mean, if you look at companies like Livonia, that's one of your biggest customers, and how they've utilized it, maybe you want to just touch on how they've developed the software with working with Crispy Mountain.
Yeah. So, I mean, the idea for most of our customers is that there is a shortage of labor, of qualified labor.
Yeah.
So you have to automate. Print runs are going down. The different orders are getting smaller, right? So you have to do more in less time. And I think this creates the perfect storm that just calls for automation. I don't see any other solution.
Yeah.
And this is what we've built with Livonia as well, right? They serve mostly publishers because they're biggest book printer, one of the biggest book printers in Europe.
Yeah.
And we built a portal where the publisher enters all their information, then the calculation happens automatically. They will get the information back from the calculation. You upload the JDF or PDF files of your print documents that will automatically be processed. And with that, we can run 90% automated, right? And there will always be 10% where human interaction is required.
Yeah.
But imagine the workload reduction on the staff. And this is what our primary goal is with everything that we do, right? Reduce human labor, automate it wherever it is possible, but call in the humans where their experience is required.
Yeah. And of course, it's API driven.
It's completely API driven.
So you work with a lot of the companies with creating that integration. So you have multiple systems talking into Keyline, and that's bi-directional, I understand.
That is bi-directional, yeah. And we basically draw the line on premises, right? So Keyline is a cloud-based system, and we do not want to go on the shop floor. There are experts like Tessitura who do this really well.
Yeah.
And we work together with these companies to then connect the machinery, and connect other, let's say, legacy software systems to Keyline.
Yeah.
Because I think this is also an important fact. There is no single software that can cover all the needs a modern printer have. It's always a landscape, and landscapes work well as long as all the systems are connected automatically.
Mm-hmm. And the system obviously works on semantic data.
That's right.
Maybe you want to give our viewers a little bit of an overview on the advantages of semantic data.
Yeah, so what's semantic data? Semantic data is data that a computer can understand and that a computer can use to automate. And nowadays, everybody talks about AI. Well, semantic data is the basis for AI.
Right.
If you have shitty data, only shit will come out. Can I say shit?
You can. I think you have.
Yeah, I already have. Always better to apologize after the fact. So you need structured data, and then you can do a lot of interesting things with AI. We are also using AI to transform unstructured data into structured data, which works quite well, but that is the basis, right? And with that structured semantic data, then you can automate. You can create print pools where you can say, give me all products that have a Pantone color and that have this grammage and that are on this paper, right? And that stuff I can only do with structured data. If I just have a huge blob of text, that's not gonna work. And this is the basis, and Keyline then has open APIs, so everything that you have in Keyline can be read and written by other systems.
Yeah.
And we have customers these days, they don't even use the Keyline user interface, right? They just use it as a data hub, basically.
Okay. Brilliant. Well, I mean, it's a fantastic system. I believe in it, and I wish you all the luck for the future.
Thank you very much.
And I'm sure we'll be hearing more from you soon.
I think so too.
Thank
Thank you.
Christian.